Guys, good morning. Today we're vlogging our day. Today's Anita's birthday and we are going out for brunch. We're taking Anita out for brunch. Then we're gonna have our girls' night out later tonight. But I want to take you guys on the journey. Nobi, I'm gonna say Nobi's pretty excited because that's Anita, that's our person. So I'm gonna get Anita. Wow, I'm gonna get Nobi dressed, and she is gonna wear one of her really cute outfits. Yes, these are the kind of things that excite me. That's why this is a mom vlog. So bear with me. Let me show you guys what Nobi looks like. This is Nobi. Hi, Mama. She is not in the mood to wake up from this sleep. Yeah, this is Nobi. And this is the outfit we are wearing today. Isn't this pretty? I can't even remember which auntie or uncle gave us this one. But this is what she's wearing. Ooh, it matches my nails. This is what she's wearing today. So we're about to give her a bath and start our day. I'm in love with this little girl. You guys have no idea. We are about to start our day. She's about to have her bath. That's her bathing station. Right there. Yeah. This, if you've watched my daily newborn essential video, you see her bath station. So yeah, she's about to have her bath and get ready for the day. So we are good to go. Oh, look at this one. Say hi.
Fit for our first.
This one was not really stretching. See your daughter. I think she was enjoying this vlog more than I was. I believe so.
I doubt so.
I just hate her. See, this is what she was born a day before Nobi. She's smiling. My daughter is not even doing. Your daughter is a grumpy McGrumpus. You say stupid boys. Wow. That's what your worry is. Hi guys. So I came to buy Anita's birthday present. I am on studio concert. She's in Lekki. So I just picked out her gift. She doesn't know what I'm getting for her. I was supposed to take her out for lunch, but she wanted to have something else at home. So I'm like, I couldn't kidnap her for today. So probably we'll just go out tomorrow for ourselves. So yeah, I'm at studio concert. Let me just do a video of their store. Sorry, I'm charging my phone because I don't know why I didn't charge it before I left. So I'm buying Anita a candle. They're currently wrapping her gift for her. A pretty candle. I'm just very happy that I got it for her because she was like, yeah, don't get me anything. I'm like, nah, sis, we're gonna celebrate you. That's basically it. From here, I'm gonna go home to change and pick up Nobi, and then we'll go to Anita's for her birthday. Then we're going out later tonight once we drop off the kids. So I just want to take my daughter. Okay. Say, I just got my gift items. What else is left? What else is left?
Oh, happy birthday! Happy Sarah.
Oh my God, thank you so much. This is so sweet. Thank you so much. This is such a pleasant experience.
Bye.
So guys, studio concierge, thank you so much. We're going for Anita's birthday. Look here now, say hi. Nobi. Nobi. Say hi. She doesn't. Oh, wow. Hello.
Oh, they don't have the same show. You know my boy has the show.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, he wants to carry baby. Yeah, congrats.
Thank you.
Yes, I saw their picture.
Yes.
Wow, can you imagine yourself?
So we are in Anita's house. Oh, well, she's breastfeeding. let me just show her face. Oh, yeah, quickly. Hi. I would have shown Ian, but Ian first very cranky. So she wants to open. So the birthday girl wants to open her birthday present, the one we got for her. So let me just flip the camera to. What am I doing? What did I do?
Are we ready?
Okay. All right. Open.
Let me drink some wine first.
Now, are you breastfeeding today?
No. This looks nice.
Ooh, let's zoom in on that. Okay.
I love the color.
Okay.
1, 2, ready.
Okay,
go.
we're good.
Open sesame. Oh, this packaging is so nice. So, like, the packaging is expensive.
No.
It's an expensive packaging.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, it smells heavenly.
Oh my god.
Sunshine.
Can you see it? Ooh. Thanks to Studio Concierge. Oh my god, this camera will not focus. Sorry, hold on. This. Yes, better. Yes, thanks to Studio Concierge. This smells divine. This is their packaging. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides. Like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad. Ladder ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between. I'm good.
7, yeah. Okay.
Let me show. Say hi.
Hi guys. It's try 7.
Sorry.
Snail and yeah.
Okay, so we are about to leave Anita's. My little madam has slept off. Yeah, I'm using the bag to wedge her in so that she doesn't wake up. But we are about to leave. I'm gonna go drop her at home, rest for a bit, and then get dressed because we're going out. Me, Anita, and our men are going out tonight so that we can celebrate her birthday into my birthday. So, it's my birthday. Officially my birthday. We are heading to the club. So, it's my birthday. Ah, crap. It's lenses. So, it's my birthday. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is my fit. Not sure I can show you guys. Well, it's my birthday. We're going out. My husband and his friends are hosting me tonight at the club. So we gonna get lit. I know, right?
Give me the big knife. Give me the big knife.
Show us your technique.
From the high
Show us your technique.
You want to see my technique?
Yes.
Get it. And flying Natalia, I like this guy. My bombastic friend. My bombastic friend.
Mwah, mwah.
Clean your camera.
Mwah. Thank you so much. Hi guys, good morning. So it is my birthday morning. We don't have any plans for today, more or less. I just told my husband, like, let's just save this money and buy me what I want. The only thing I probably gifted myself, I think I just threw it away. Let me just show you guys what I did. So the only thing I did this morning was gift myself a new SD card. Wow, this focus is horrible. So the only thing I did was gift myself an SD card, and a new battery pack, which is what I have here that I'm charging. So I'm like, might as well gift myself a birthday present that will be beneficial to me, which is, things that are gonna help my YouTube channel, which is a new battery and more gigabytes to work with. So, yeah, we don't have any plans for today. We are gonna be home. I told him I just want to spend time with my family, spend time with Nobi, probably just order pizza, and just chill. But my friends want to have like a games night kind of thing, so they're all coming over this evening, which means that we have to cook rice. So, well, I have a bit of work to do with that. Just have to make sure that I give my cook what he needs to make that very interesting. I know I'm blabbing. Yeah, today should be pretty chilled. We went out last night. We had crazy fun. I had crazy fun. I'm back home now and I just want to relax today. My friends wanted to take me to a spa today, but I was like, let's do spa tomorrow or Friday. Let's relax on other days, not the actual birthday. So that's we're not too confined within a time limit. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with what I'm doing today, and happy birthday to me again. Oh, I haven't even shown you guys Nobi today. This is Nobi. Nobi. Put her down by like 8 o'clock. This is about 10 o'clock. So she should be waking up in 1 more hour. See. I'm disturbing her. Sorry. Let me not disturb them. So yeah, we're just gonna have like a home celebration. Nothing too fancy, just to commemorate the day. But yeah, we are going to celebrate today. So I'll keep you guys posted.
And it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, through that I survived, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit it to the sky, changed haters on the
So we're closing out the vlog. This has been a lit birthday. I have had good news, incredible good news all day. I can't share on the channel, but you guys will know soon enough. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Bye.
I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat.